Hello friends, right now I am taking 4 contracts trade sell entry. I will explain you why I have taken the sell entry in this place. Yeah, I have placed each contract at the rate of 56.75. We have to deduct from 100 this one. Then each contract price is $43.25. $43.25 each contract. I placed sell entry. Euro USD price 1.14620. That means below this the price will close at 10 p.m. So for expiration 58 minutes time is there. Okay, right now the trade is showing in live profits $18 because the price is coming downside below 1.14620. I have placed this entry 1.14620. This is the my trade place entry. So below this the prices will close like that. I have taken one trade. How I have taken I will explain you. This is the last Friday candle. How it has formed. Green body is there. Upper long wick formed. And here is price rejected. After that the prices came downside and closed here. So this is the price rejection level area. So whenever the price reached at this level, I placed one contract on the top. That means this is the rejection price levels. So below this only this hour the price will close. So with the expecting that I placed a sell trade entry in binary options. This is a $2,000 account. So here I have taken risk each contract $43. That means nearly I have invested $173 nearly. Okay, if I win, I will get $400 at expiration. Each contract settled with $100. Four contracts settled with $400. So here my net profit will be nearly $230 I will get. Okay, right now I need to wait for 57 minutes. I am pausing this video. Whenever the expiration comes before 1 minute, again I will make video. Then you will see the live result. Okay. Now just 1 minute is there for trade expiry. Okay, 1 minute 28 seconds. Right now the price is 595. Below 620 I placed. So below 620 only the price is running 595. So if I am winning this trade, then I will get $235 profit. Right now it is showing $203 profit. So I can close this trade before expiry without waiting for expiration time. But no need to do like that because already 1 minute is there. So sure we can win this trade. But even though it is a stock market, all of a sudden the prices if it moves above 620, then I can lose this money also which I invested on this trade. So here what happens means we have to close the trade before expiry or not also. It is depending on our own decisions. Okay, again I have recording. Just 7 seconds are there. Right now 599 price. So below this the price has closed. So we won the trade. Yes, expired. We won the trade. We got 400 at expiration. Let us see statement. Now check it. 173 we invested 4 contracts. We won 4 contracts at expiration. We got $400. That means here we made profit almost $227. We made profit on $2,000 account. Now we are going to place a second trade. Okay. Just now we will leave for a retracement. Whenever the right moment comes, then I will place the trade. Dear friends, if you are interested for managed account services, please contact me to my email ID. Okay. My mail ID professionalmanager@gmail.com. If you are interested, you can contact for managed account services. Hello friends. Now second trade I am going to place. Still the prices are in a peak level only. This is the peak level of this last Friday's bull candle. Okay. The prices will come downside. So if I place Euro USD 1.14580 below, then I am getting each contract $32. So Already in first trade I got $227. So I can place here 7 contracts for a low price. Whatever the profit I made in the first contract, I invested in a second contract. First contract I got profit $237. Okay. So right now I placed 7 contracts. If I win, I get $700 at expiration. Each contract will be settled $100. Here my investment is we have to deduct the $66.5 from 100. That means $33.5, almost $33. That means nearly $235, 35, yeah, $235 I invested on the trade. Okay, the profits which I earned in the first trade, that I invested in the second trade. So I have to wait for a trade expiration for 51 minutes. Okay, I placed 1.14580 below this level. At 11 p.m. the price should be closed. Then only I will win this trade. Otherwise, I lose the trade. Okay, whatever I invested on the trade, 213 nearly, that money I'm going to lose. Okay, so we have to wait for the expiration. Let me wait, and whenever 1 minute is there for expiration, then I will make video. Okay. Hello friends, there is another 7 minutes is there for expiration, but the prices are nearby the entry prices. So before expiry, we are closing this trade with the profits $217. Yeah. Why we closed means right now the price is moving. We just observe it very nearby. Okay. So for safe side, we closed the trade. If we wait for that expiration, if the prices will move above 580, then we are losing the trade. What we invested on the trade, we can lose. So for safe side, we closed the trade before expiry with the profits. Now let us see the statement. Now check the statement. First trade we invested 173, we got 400 at expiration. We waited for expiration time because the price gap is more where we placed the trade prices. So, but second trade what we did, the prices are very nearby, movements are there before expiration 7 minutes. So for safe side I closed the trade. Okay, here I invested is $234 on 7 contracts. Before expiry, the 7 contracts I closed at $451. That means nearly $217 profit here I made. Here $217 profit and here $227 profit. That means nearly $450 profit we made on a $2000 binary account. Dear friends, if you are interested for managed account services, please contact me to my below mail ID. Okay, thank you. Just 2 trades we made today. 1 hour expirations, both were. Okay, we made $450 on $2000 account. So daily it's possible for a $500 profit with 2 trades. Just 2 trades only enough. If any trade we lose, then we have to recover the lost money with a new trade. That means for example, on $2000 account, first we invested $200 on trade. If we lost, then we lose $200 from $2000 account balance. Then remaining balance will be $1800. So to recover the 200 lost money, we have to again use $200 from 1800 balance. Then when we win the trade, then we can get $200 profit. Then that can be recovered in losses. So after that again we have to place a new trade with $200. Like that with the proper money management we have to trade in Nordex binary options trading. Okay. Thank you. Hello friends. Now third trade I am placing 4 contracts. Okay. Just now I placed it. Each one $45 I have invested. That means on 4 contracts, sorry, not 45, $55. We have to deduct from 100 this $45. That means each contract price we invested $55. 4 contracts, $220 we invested. If we win this trade, we get 400 at expiration. Here our profit will be $175. Okay. So, sorry, $180. It is coming nearly profit. We have to wait for 51 minutes for expiration. I have placed 1.14580 at 12 a.m. Last hour this candle has closed 1.14579. Actually, last trade what we invested 7 contracts, that trade if we left, then we could have won at expiration. But you just observe only 1 point, last digit observe. Last hour we invested 7 contracts below price level 1.14580. The closing price is 1.14579. Just last digit 1 point difference. So for safe side, I closed the trade to protect the profits which we made already in the first trade win. Okay. Now what happened in this hour? Last hour red body formed, upper wick formed, lower wick is very small comparing with upper wick. So this is the indication for a seller's strongness. So further the prices will close below 1.14580 in this hour. So this is the present hour candle it is running. So we have to wait for 50 minutes for trade expiration. Okay, let us wait. Hello friends, just 52 seconds are there for expiration trade. Right now it is showing $158 in profit in live. Okay, the price is right now here. Below this we placed our trade entry is 1.14580. Right now 566 it is running the price, live price 566. Just 27 seconds are there. My friends, if you are interested for managed account services, I can manage our account. If you are interested, contact my mail ID. My mail ID professionalmanager@gmail.com. Sorry, professionalmanager369. Okay, professionalmanager369@gmail.com. My mail ID. Okay, now we won this trade. 558. The trade has closed. Okay, now let us see the statement. Hello friends, this is a statement. $2,000 account, this one. First trade 173 we invested, 400 we got at expiration. Here nearly $227 profit. Second trade we invested 234. Before expiry we closed it at 451. Here here nearly $219 profit we made. $219 here. Here 227. That means nearly $440 we made profit first 2 trades. This trade we made profit almost $180. That means nearly from these 3 trades we made profit $620 on a $2,000 binary account. Binary options are high risk involved, at the same time high profitable instrument. With the right trading strategy we can make some good profits. Sometimes if loss comes, first we have to recover the loss. After that we can make again profits. Okay. If you are interested for managed account services, contact to my email ID professionalmanager369@gmail.com. Below mail ID just see in this video. Thank you.